Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comments. Today I am doing the unboxing video of Ample Marble executive chair. Let's see what we get inside the box.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I bought this chair for daily basis of use for my home, and the brand of this chair is Ample, and this chair is called as Marble executive chair, which I liked it so much.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Now mainly what we get inside the box is steel wheelbase, which is so good and strong, and the seat, which is so soft, long back support with headrest, two arm of the chair, which is 3D. You can adjust the level of the chair and the direction of the chair from that arm, the 3D arm. And in the box you can find the main mechanism with lock and unlock lever and the hydraulic pump, which is in a good quality, which is used to support the chair. These are the parts with what we get inside the box.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
If you are looking a chair for work from home and under the budget of 10,000, you can go for this chair. Mostly when I unbox this box, I like the quality of the product, so you can go for it. You can buy from their website ample.com.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful.
If you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share and comments. After a few days of using this chair, I will bring another video of this chair. That will be the review of this marble executive chair. Thank you guys.